Welcome to week 2 of our class ED 604. This week, you'll primarily be reading some educational theorists with pivotal thoughts for influencing education from ancient times, Socrates and his Socratic method, through the last 2 centuries of thought, or at least century and a half, early 1900s through current times. We're reading the second one, Paulo Freire from Brazil, an activist in the field of education and societal change. Um, with both of those sets of readings, you're going to be looking for 3 notes. So 3 important concepts or quotes that you want to take that you feel are most pivotal from each. The next 2 authors, John Dewey, writing in the first half of the 1900s, and then the Ayres brothers, writing in the second half toward the late 1900s, they were both advocating some educational change in America at that time, and both have some thoughts pertinent to today's contemporary society. So again, you'll be looking for 3 notes from each of those authors, 3 important concepts or quotes that you're going to be listing. Finally, the reflection will be about your favorite of those 4 authors or those 4 concepts, Socrates, Freire, Dewey, and then the Ayres brothers. You choose one that you feel has the most pertinence to today's contemporary scene in education or coaching, and think about concepts that you see in application or perhaps you don't see being applied that you feel could help our society in doing a better job of educating our youth and helping develop our scholar athletes. So those will be the extent of the notes, just 3 concepts from each reading and then 1 paragraph in which you're choosing one of your favorites there to comment on and reflect in light of contemporary education. Finally, just a reminder that you should have purchased your book by now and be reading at least through chapter 1, hopefully further, taking notes about what you feel is important from your author. By the end of the semester, second to last week, you will be sharing ideas with the whole class as a team with your book project. So you're going to be starting to take notes, and next week beginning your discussion with your book team about what's important from your author, what is key and critical, and also starting to think about how you want to do an interactive presentation toward the end of the semester. And I will be sharing some more ideas about that and actually a model of how a team has approached that in the past. But right now, this week, make sure you're reading and starting to take notes on your book. Thanks and have a wonderful week.